Here's the app called Corner, Curate, and Share Places. Let's try it out. It's a new social app. Finally, a map that shows you places you actually want to go. Bookmark your favorite spots. Corner learns your taste and creates places for you. Search for anything. Wipe check places. Import places from social media. Spend less time scrolling and more time in real life. Start building your corner. We are serious about exploring new places. That's why I build an app that lets you spend less time searching and more time doing. Our algorithm tailors your map to your interests and tastes, guiding you to the places you'll actually want to go without the distractions. Whether you're saving your hidden gems, uncovering your favorite, or making plans with friends, Corner puts your world on the map. Curate your world, save places from anywhere, discover places that match your vibe, see where your circle is going, make memories in real life. So yeah, then you can just open it up. So here's how the onboarding looks like. Loading your new map. There is some background music. Quite cool design, no ads, no stress, no BS. Then you just proceed with creating your account, you create your username, you can add your friends, you can add your contacts, you can pick a username. And that's how you get started on this app. Then there are all the different categories of places. Account, you will have the details. So now, for example, you have the places in here, so it's kind of quite interesting, such as just like a Google Maps actually, but you have a like teenager community in here, and then you can hang out with friends. You can find some interesting places. You can find some people who like this place. And if you want to go somewhere with your friends, this is kind of cool app to find it out. Obviously, I guess this is a cool app to discover in bigger cities maybe. And then yeah, you can then just go and invite people. So here is the invite code which you can try in the app. So yeah, that's kind of the vibe of the app. You can always search for friends. You can always just try to find them by username. There are a lot of users. There aren't a lot of users, but it's getting more and more popular. You can also then just find new places. Let's just check out, for example, it's not clickable for me, so maybe there are some glitches. And then yeah, you can build your corner, you can add your profile, you can add your favorites, what you recommended, your places, what you want to try, and then you can delete your account and just add your socials, bios. So that's the idea.